Congratulations to our newly crowned queen! Roots and Rhythm, honoring heritage, rising for more, is this year's Flumlock Festival theme. Share to us your vision of living up to this theme, highlighting your role as a Metro woman.
There's this popular saying that I really love. Ang hindi marunong lumingon sa kanyang pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa kanyang paroroonan. I believe that Polomolok is more than just economic prowess and its environmental progress. We too have cultural richness. And with this shows us that we have vibrant culture. From the intricacy of Blaan, the devotion of Muslims, and the adaptability of Christians. This shows us that we are more than just our municipality and its thriving environment. We are people with identity. And as a Metro woman, and in my journey as a Bini-Bining Polomolok, I believe that it is high time for us to actually create an initiative that creates a school of living traditions where cultures are learned, not just displayed. Because through this, we remain grounded by our cultural roots as we dance in the rhythm of progress. And truly, we can say that Polomolok is more than just progressive, but is also thriving. Thank you.
Because of its accessibility, social media is often used as a tool to spread hate speech and malicious comments. As a Metro woman, how would you react if you were a victim of such hate?
Growing up, I was always a victim of bullying because of my physique and my skin color. It took me years to overcome that fear of mine, to step out of my comfort zone. And with the prevalence of social media, it has been used as a tool to spread hate. However, let us all be reminded that everyone is taking the path slowly and surely. We all have different struggles, trials, and tribulations in our life. However, let us inculcate in ourselves that every person matters. Everyone in our municipality matters. Thank you.